Hi everyone, hope you're all safe and doing well. First things first, I would like to thank you guys for an amazing response on my PMP journey video. If you haven't already watched the video, please do click the link above. As promised, I am in the process of preparing some informative videos for you guys to learn about construction planning, scheduling, and control. These videos will be a great refresher for the project managers, planning engineers, schedulers, and project coordinators in the construction or the IT industry. In today's video, I'll be providing you guys with an overview of all the topics that will be covered in the future videos. So let's get started. So the first video I'll be doing is Introduction to Planning, Scheduling, and Controlling Projects. I will provide you guys with an overview on planning, scheduling, and controls. We will discuss what are projects and the importance of scheduling in these projects. Gantt or bar charts. We'll discuss what are bar charts. I'll provide you the advantages, disadvantages of bar charts. Basic networks. We'll discuss what are arrow and node networks and a comparison between these networks. Critical path method. I would provide you guys with an overview on the CPM method, the steps that are needed to schedule a project. We briefly discuss on resource allocation and leveling, and finally, I'll discuss and provide you guys CPM explanation through examples. Precedence networks. We'll discuss the types of relationships, the CPM calculations for precedence diagrams. Resource allocation. Here we'll discuss on the categories of resources. We'll further discuss on resource allocation and leveling and how we can manage materials. Schedule updating and project control. We will discuss why is a schedule update needed and how is project controlling achieved through these updates. Schedule compression. We will discuss how we need to set our priorities, how do we accelerate and fast-track projects. We'll talk a little bit about costs such as direct and indirect costs, and finally, recovery schedules. Reports and presentations. I will teach you guys on the best practices for reports and presentations and a comparison on when should reports be used and when should presentations be used. Then we have scheduling for project managers. We will discuss how the combination of scheduling, estimating, accounting, and procuring management is used for project managers to achieve project success. Finally, the next steps. I'll provide you guys with an overview on construction delay and claims, an overview on schedule risk management, and an overview on BIM-based 4D modeling and scheduling. Hope you all are as excited as I am excited to record these videos. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated on my new videos. Keep on supporting and see you until the next video. Ciao!